Imagine this. You're running a small business and you finally land a big project. You need extra hands to grow, but hiring is expensive. What if I told you the government will pay you to hire employees? Yes, you heard that right. There's a hidden federal program that helps small business owners hire employees while covering a portion of their wages. This isn't a scam, and it's not a loan. You don't have to pay it back. It's a legally funded government incentive that can help your business scale faster than you ever imagined. Yet 90% of business owners have never heard of it. If you own a business or plan to start one, keep watching, because this one secret could turn your small business into a huge business without breaking your budget. Let's dive in. The program we're talking about is called the Work Opportunity Tax Credit, WOTC, and the Special Employer Incentives, SEI program. The Work Opportunity Tax Credit, WOT. The government rewards businesses that hire certain employees, like veterans, disabled individuals, or people from specific backgrounds, by giving huge tax credits of up to $9,600 per employee. The Special Employer Incentives, SEI program. This is where things get even more exciting. If you hire a qualified disabled veteran, the government reimburses 50% of their wages for up to 6 months, meaning you pay less, but get the full work benefit. Think about what that means for your business. Hiring new workers without the full financial burden, expanding your business with less risk, getting free money and tax credits while building your dream team. And the best part? It's easier to apply for than you think. So how does it work? All right, let's break this down step by step so you can take advantage of this today. Step 1. Find out if your business qualifies the WOTC and CI programs. The WOTC and SEI programs apply to almost all businesses, whether you own a restaurant, a store, an office, or even an online business. If you hire employees, you can benefit. Step 2. Hire an eligible employee. Not all employees qualify for these benefits. The government specifically offers this incentive for veterans, especially disabled veterans, long-term unemployed individuals, people receiving government assistance, like food stamps or welfare, ex-felons who are re-entering the workforce. If you hire someone from these groups, you unlock the rewards. Step 3. Apply for the program. Once you hire an eligible employee, you need to fill out 2 simple forms. IRS Form 8850. This is a short form to pre-screen the employee. ETA Form 9061 or 9062. This verifies eligibility and secures your tax credit. You submit these to your state's workforce agency, and once approved, you start receiving the tax credits or wage reimbursements. How much money can you actually get? Let's put this into perspective with a real example. Say you hire a disabled veteran under the SEI program. If you agree to pay them $4,000 per month, the government covers 50% of their wages for 6 months. That's $12,000 in free money right there. Now, if you hire multiple employees under this program, you could get tens of thousands of dollars in tax credits and reimbursements while growing your team. This is how smart business owners scale fast. They use every available advantage. And now you know the secret too. And here's a bonus tip. If you're not sure how to apply, many states have free agencies that will help you process these forms. Just search for your state WOTC application assistance and you'll find help. So don't wait. Take action now. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll help you out. Also, hit like if you found this valuable and subscribe, because in my next video, I'll show you another government program that gives free grants to small businesses.